watching today's video about what does he or she want to happen between you. Okay, so this is going to be a timeless reading, and the timestamps about each of these options is given in the description box below, so you can just go ahead and check that according to your choice. So let's get started with the reading. So let's go ahead with the first option. So if you have chosen this shell, then this option it is for you. So let's go ahead with it. So the first thing the card is telling you is that look at things from a different perspective. So what does he or she think about you? In that, the cards are saying that he is looking at you, he or she is looking at you from a different perspective. So you may be having some other intention, and the person may be looking at you from a different perspective. Now we are not looking into just a romantic relationship. It can be just any relationship. But if you are having some person in your mind, and if you just want to know whether what he or she is thinking about you, or what he or she wants to happen between you, right? So yeah, this is definitely about he or what does he or she want to happen between you. So the first thing it is saying that it is different from what you think. Okay, from the perspective what you want to happen between you and that person, it's going to be different from what that person, he or she, is thinking about you. Okay, and the things can be that whatever your expectations are, those expectations may be temporarily to a standstill, and what your expectations are may not actually be the same as their expectations. Okay, so yes, so that is important. The second thing, it is important that you be yourself. It is important that you be the person you are, because what happens is that when you are expecting some sort of relationship, when you expect something to happen between you and that person, you may start changing. You may start changing the way you respond to that person. You may start changing your body language just in front of that person. But here the card says you just have to be yourself, and that is important because that person may be wanting to have you and not that changed person. Okay, so that is important that you take into mind. The next thing that I would like to say is that what that person wants to have relationship with you. What does he or she want to have with you? So this is the card, and it says that it can be a relationship where that person is wanting that somewhere or the other it's a connection about money. So just in case if that person, even if that person is thinking about a marriage and a solid committed relationship, still that person is going to be wanting to have a relationship where both of you are going to be settling down the finances of the house, settling down the monetary thing in the house, right? So that is what he wants that happens between you two. Okay, now what you prefer might be totally different, or it may be okay with you. So that is the thing, and it's not just about the relationship. Okay, it's about what does he want that happens between you two. Then what you choose, it is your choice. Okay, so then the next card from here, it says that what does he want to happen, he or she want to happen between you. So this is the card that says that it says that it is also, this can be that both of you, this person expects that he or she, you actually be a good supporting role in their career. Okay, so because they might be somebody who might be having higher goals, they might be somebody who might be having some greater expectations from life, they might be having some greater mission in life, they might be having some greater roles in life, and that is where they expect that the person that they want you to be, they want that you should be very supportive, you should always be at their back supporting them, and time to move on in the next project. So whenever they have this, whenever they are just switching on from one project to another, they just want that you are always endlessly supporting them. Okay, so yes, that is there. Plus they also want that you appreciate them in every win of theirs. Okay, so that is what they want from you. Okay, so then let's see the next card. The next card is also, this is one more thing, adjacent possibilities. The card says that the person also wants that you are a person who is working along with them. Okay, so working along with them, and when you are working along with them in the same sort of job. Okay, so if they are a doctor, they will expect that you also should be a doctor. If they are into teaching profession, they also want that you are also a teacher or a professor in the same institute wherever you are. Okay, or same institute or a very close by institute where both of you are similarly teaching and both of you have the same purpose. Okay, so yes, having the same purpose, it might be there. And adjacent possibilities, that is what I talked about. The next thing that they want, he or she wants to be with you, is they want that you evolve with them. So they may be having some sort of growth expectations for them, for their career or their life, and it can be even spiritually. But they want that you grow with them. They want that you should also be the one who should be wanting to grow on a spiritual level, be wanting to grow on a financial level, career level, any level, but they are expecting a lot of growth. I know that this is the card for chakras and kundalini, but we are trying to see about every area of the life. That is where what they want from you. So they want that in every area, they just want to keep on growing. And so they just want that you also should be somebody who wants continuous growth. Then the next card is breathing techniques, pranayama, etc. So they might be very much into working out and exercising, into yoga, etc. So they also want that their partner is also into all of this. Okay, so it can be anything. It can be yoga, it can be gymming, it can be aerobics, Zumba, anything. But whatever they feel, they are very active. They are just very active, and they want to take an active control over their health and their body. So they expect the same thing from their partner also. Okay, so that is what the partner wants from you. So this is the first option. Now let's go ahead with the second option. So if you chose this option, then the cards are here for you. So let's go ahead with the cards. So the first card here, it says that the first thing they say, what they are expecting, what he or she is expecting from you, what he or she wants to happen between you. So this is that they want that you also are a family oriented person. They also want that you are somebody who wants to get married and have kids and have a good family life. So that is the first thing that they expect. Then they also want is that like you are always like their shadow, not exactly like a shadow, but you are always besides them through the thick and thin in life. So that is what they want. The second thing I would like to say is what they expect. What is the thing that he or she wants to happen between you is, I would like to say that this card says that also from this card I would like to say this is the Tower card. And the Tower card, it means that there are shocking incidences that are coming closer, and so they may be having certain things that they are hiding. They may be having certain habits, certain truths about their life, certain things about their life that may be very shocking, and revealing those things, it can be like a totally disastrous moment for you. But they just want that if you want to be with them, what they want that happens between you is that whenever any of that gets revealed, you are still with them. Okay, so that is what they want. The next thing that I would like to say is that it is the World card. Okay, so the World card is that they want they do want that both of you, what do they want that happens between you two is they want that both of you do take a lot of trips abroad. Okay, do take a lot of vacations abroad. And so yes, that is there. And also there is one more thing that there is some sort of spiritual growth as well. Now I would like to say that just because this card is showing some spiritual growth, it may not exactly be the same thing in their mind, because what they happens between you two is they just want that the way they are growing, the way they evolve, and exactly not evolve, but the way they change, there might be some other things at times, and there may be something different at other times. So they just want that you are okay with that, they just want that you are fine with that, and you accept that avatar of them. Okay, so yes, so that is there. The next thing I'd like to say, see, that person is a very family oriented person. Okay, what he or she wants from you is, that person is extremely family oriented. He or she may want that you have a family, you live together as a married couple, have kids, and you just live happily ever after as a happy family. So that is a very, very strong thing that they want to happen between you. And just in case that you feel the person for whom we are doing this reading, just if it's just the case that if you are not expecting any romantic relationship from that person, if it's just not that possibility that a romantic relationship can happen, then this can also be that somebody wants to live with you, somebody wants to live as a family with you. Okay, so that is there. Then the next card here, it shows that allow sunshine to enter into your life, bask into the warm sun energy during sunrise and sunset, use sun's energy. So here the card says that what he or she wants to happen between you. Yeah, right, we have to see from that perspective. So this card says that they want to be your sunshine, and they want that you expect that they become sunshine in your life. At the same time, they also want that you are a sunshine in their life. So at any point whenever things are not good, at any point whenever there is any negativity around, he or she expects from you that you become a guiding light to them, you become sunshine to them, you bring positivity into their life. Okay, so yes, so that is what they expect. Then the next thing is, okay, now looking at this person, I just feel that this guy is a multitasker. Okay, and it also feels that this person, he or she, that person might actually be a multitasker and might expect from you that you also give them a helping hand at this. Right? In other case, this person has seen somebody who is a multitasker. See, it just goes like this, that anybody who is around, if you are watching and if you want to get into a romantic relationship, a life partner sort of relationship, if you are a male person, you want your partner is like your mother, right? How good things, how best way your mother used to handle your family. You expect that your life partner should also be the same way for you. Okay, so your partner should also have those same qualities as that of your mother. And if you are a female, you have seen your father handle the family and how he handles your mother and stuff like that. So if you are a female, your expectations from your partner would be that your partner is exactly like your father, right? So if your father was a multitasker, your partner would also want that you are also a multitasker. Okay, the same thing applies that. So this is what I meant to say, that if your partner has seen that the parent, the opposite sex parent, has always been a multitasker, then that person will have this same expectation from you. Okay, so yeah, that is how it goes. You need to consult an expert who has a proper knowledge about how to deal with your issues. Try taking help from somebody. Okay, so we are not getting into the expert part of this. Definitely this card, it means that try to contact an expert, but it means that what he or she wants to what he or she wants to happen between you. He wants that you are also expert at being a multitasker. He or she wants that you are expert at handling a lot of different tasks. Okay, so yes, so that is what they want from you. And now let's go ahead with the other options. So if you have chosen this crystal, then let's go ahead with the reading. Okay, so this is how the reading goes. Okay, so let's see how the cards are going here. So the first thing is what he or she wants to happen between you. Okay, so this is the thing, that competing goals, bothersome details, conflict with others. So what they want to happen between you is, yeah, this is somewhere it shows that there is some sort of conflict and both of you have same goals. Yeah, he or she, they may be expecting that both of you compete for the same thing, and yeah, then maybe decide who is better at winning, who wins, and that person gets the end result. So yes, so that is there. The next thing I would like to say is, gosh, now this is the option where I would like to say that this is some other person, that's just a different expectation. The Page of Discs, it just, yeah, you can just see the image and what he or she wants from you. He or she wants that whatever you expect from life, he or she wants that you always keep asking from them. Now this can be even about money, it can be about other resources that they are holding on to, and they want that whenever you need those resources, you just go to them and beg for it. Definitely, see, that's the image that is coming here. So they just want that you beg for it. Plus at the same time, there is competing goals, bothersome details. So there are certain things that might bother, there are certain things about them that might bother you, which might actually rise into conflicts. So at times, see, a lot of times, when people are in a relationship, in any kind of relationship, what happens that on an inner level, see what happens that a lot of people have programming in their subconscious mind, and you just never know what somebody is expecting, and even that person may not know that from what sort of energy they are operating. A lot of times when children have seen a lot of conflicts between their parents, a lot of conflicts in their surroundings, environment, their neighbors, and a lot of conflicts between the relatives that they often see day in and day out. These are the children that usually have all of that stuck inside their subconscious mind, and some way or the other they just feel that that is how life is, and they will be attracting all such relationships that always keep having conflicts. So this may be the faint idea, this may be the subconscious mind programming in their mind, in his or her mind, which is actually attracting conflict within you also. Okay, so yeah, I know that is not something good to hear, but definitely I just have to give you the thing that is coming in the cards. Prosperity arising from wise planning, time to take the next step. So definitely he or she, he wants that happens between you is that, both of you together plan out finances, both of you together plan for a stable financial life. Okay, so he or she wants that this happens between you, that both of you sit and decide how you are going to stabilize your finances, optimistic plans that turn out as expected. So he or she, they believe that when both the people, they sit together and decide what's going to happen between them or what's going to happen in their future, they are going to be together. They are going to together take that ship far, far away, okay, in the future. So that is how a steady future is created. That is what they believe. The next thing that they want from you, okay, so woman holding a heart. So this is the thing that, now this person wants from you, this person wants this from you, is that no matter whatever they do, no matter whatever they do with you, or no matter whatever they do in the relationship, they always want that you are a lifesaver of that relationship. I know that this somehow sounds like they are just wanting all the work to be done by you, and they just never want to give a better and good energy, but they just want to keep expecting all the best energy from you. But see, I'm just telling you what the cards are saying, and let's expect that in the other cards that we are seeing, we can actually expect something better to come ahead. So woman holding a heart, so this is what they want from you. And definitely if you are somebody who is thinking of committing to this person, seeing from all of these earlier cards, you may actually think twice. You may want to think twice, because this actually doesn't sound like a good and balanced relationship, right? So yes, so this is that he or she, they expect that you do all the work. You are always somebody who holds on to the relationship. See, it is very important that you hold on to a relationship, but it's not just a job of one person. Both the people in a relationship, they both of them have to do this. Okay? And he or she, they also expect that you always care about them. You always think about what is the good thing that they are intending behind all the negative things that they are doing. Okay, so yeah, this might sound actually a little bit weird, but yes, there are people like that. The next card I would like to say is rebalance yourself. So this is what they expect from you. So whenever they get imbalanced, they want that you help them to rebalance. Okay, the next thing is you might have gone off the track, and now is the time that you need to bring your life back on track. So they want that whenever they go off track, you are the person who holds them, you are the person who gets them back into balance, and you are somebody who make them start walking on the right track in life. So definitely, this can also be something where this person is a very unsteady person, especially their mind is very unsteady, and they are very unsteady. They just keep on wavering. They do get very negative very quickly, and see, you can just see the conflicts that they have in their mind. Plus they want that you always beg for something, or you always ask for something, you always ask for permission for something. So that does point out that this person might have a lot of underlying issues, and this is what, that is why they expect all such things from you. Otherwise, for the persons you really care about, for the person who you really want to get committed and want a romantic lifelong relationship, you will never expect all of these things, because these are not the expectations of a life partner. These are expectations of a 2-year-old kid from their mother, right? Or from their housekeeper or the nurse. Then the next card here, it says your relationship with your mother needs healing. Okay, so at the same time, now I was expecting that the other cards, they show something positive, but I don't think that there is any card here that is showing anything positive. So I would like to say that this card here, it says that if you are if they are somebody who are this negative, then they may also have some conflicts with your mother. Okay, plus they may also have some conflicts with their own mother. See, as I said earlier, that if a person has seen that the mother is struggling, then they are going to expect that the same thing, the wife is also struggling endlessly in the relationship, right? So if there is this girl, if you are a man if you are a man and the person you are thinking about, it's a girl, then she had some issues with her mother, and that is the same thing that she is going to portray in her own relationship with you. So then she is going to expect that you are always understanding, you are always healing, you are always giving a helping hand, etc. Ask angels to help you remove bitterness or ill feelings for your mother. Okay, so in any case, if you have a bitterness about if that person has a bitterness about your mother, that person expects that you just keep on removing that bitter feeling on your own, right? See, in this case, it might be that your mother may not be at fault totally, right? It can be the case, but at the same time, it can be the case that the mother may be at fault, but maybe they don't want to get into it. They just want that you solve it on your own. So yes, so that is the thing that is coming here. So yeah, now let's go ahead with the other option. So if this is the option that you had chosen, so let's go ahead with that. Okay, so here I have two options, and yeah, so let's get started with this card. So this is, we are doing the reading about what he or she wants to happen between you. Okay, so this is the thing that it says, that Yeah, it says that seeds well planted and a temporary pause in action, unnecessary worry. So the first thing that what he or she is expecting, it might be something different than what you are expecting. Totally can happen, right? The next thing is what they are expecting is, see, they may be expecting that they are more dominating in the relationship and they give you a very nice and warm and cozy sort of comfort, a cozy sort of shelter where you would like to just hide into. Okay, so that is what they expect. So that is the first thing that is coming from here. Also, what they wants to happen between you is they might expect that you are somebody who is like always protective, who is always like being the elderly person in the relationship, who is always handling all the important tasks on their own, right? So yes, now this is not just about a romantic relationship, it is about any relationship. Okay, so just in case that you are thinking about somebody else rather than just a life partner or a girlfriend boyfriend sort of relationship, then it is totally fine. So this card says that this person wants that you take the charge of the relationship and then you handle all the little important tasks in the relationship or from anything that they expect to happen between you, and they just want that they come and do their work and then they just leave. Okay, so that can totally happen. See, there are things that people expect and you can never know that you can never expect that somebody is wanting the same things from you like how what you want from them. Okay, so now let's see the second thing. The second thing that is coming from the cards is that, yeah, see, this is the same thing that the cards are saying. Okay, so they want that you win the entire battle for them. What they want to happen between you is that regarding anything that you are working upon, it can be a relationship or a project or a career or anything, they want that you win the entire battle for them, and they are just standing on the side. They just give you a helping hand on the side where you are doing the entire task. You are just playing the entire, you're just playing the role of all the entire army in this situation, right? So yes, they do expect this from you. The next thing I would like to say is they also want that you are doing the task at a very, very great speed. They also want that you just finish up the task like very, very quickly. And it can be like you may not like this because they just don't want to give a helping hand. They just don't want to help even this bit. And they expect that you handle this entire situation by yourself. Okay, so this can definitely be something that you don't want to happen, right? So yes, but it is there. And sudden and immediate results and important communication, they also want that you just bring very, very quick results like in a snap. Okay, and see, it is a good thing when two people sit together and work upon something, but now when this person is expecting this to happen between you where you are taking the entire charge, and it can also be the other way. It can also be the other way where that person is not allowing you to do anything and they are just handling this entire situation. Whenever any huge thing, any huge commitment comes up, this person does not allow you to handle anything on your own. This can totally happen. Okay, the same thing is with even this card, that they may actually expect that they take the total charge of the situation and they do all the work and you can just be on their side happily. Okay, so yes, that can totally happen. The next thing the card says is storm warning. Okay, so you can see that this card shows a sort of storm is coming. And so yeah, whenever a storm is coming, whenever you feel that there is any storm coming, whenever you feel there is any emergency coming, this person expects that you handle this entire situation of quickly packing up things and running away. That is what they expect. The same thing is, it can be either the other ways also. That other person, that if any storm sort of thing comes up, he or she, they want to handle the entire situation and just wind up the entire situation and run on your heels, and you should be by their side always. right? So that is what they expect from you. They want to happen between you. And the next thing that the cards have to say is this. Spend time in nature regularly to get your energies balanced. Nature can help you balance your 5 tattvas. So this is definitely going to be a healing factor in your relationship, because either that person is expecting everything from you, or this person wants to handle everything and does not want you to do anything. So this shows some sort of a huge sort of imbalance, right? On one side the scale is tipping a lot, and the other side is not just contributing to even this bit of help, okay, in that activity. So here the cards have to say, the cards are actually giving some sort of resolution about what you can do to balance out this relationship. See, just because this balancing is possible, that is why I'm giving you, okay? So the card says that when both of you go and spend time in nature, that is where you will be able to balance your energies. Spend time in nature regularly to get your energies balanced. Nature can help you balance your 5 tattvas. So 5 tattvas means the 5 elements. The 5 elements, either of yours or that person's, might be at an imbalance, and this is why this huge difference in what they expect from you, or what they want to do for you, okay? So yes, so this is what he or she wants to happen between you. Also, at the same time, we also have this card, free yourself from negative emotions. You deserve a better life. Release any anger. Okay, now that person, what they want to happen between you is they want to relax and rewind with you, plus at the same time they also want that both of you sit together and just release negative emotions together, so that you guys can make a better life and release any anger or fears that you may have. Okay, so yes, so that is what they want to happen between you. The next part is, the thing that they want to happen between you is have to see things from a different perspective. Because as I see that the things are very highly imbalanced here, you cannot call it exactly an imbalance. It's just see, nowhere in these cards it's showing sort of a negative imbalance, okay? There is definitely some sort of domination that is shown in these cards. Definitely some domination that they expect from you, or they expect that they should be doing all of that. At the same time, you know, this situation can be, they also want that you see that situation from a different perspective. And maybe they may, just because this card has popped up, I would like to say that they might have had certain relationships in their past where the partner thought that they are very depending, or they are very dominating, and in that case they just want that their partner always understands them from a different perspective. Okay, so you need to enlighten yourself about certain subject, and for that you need to change or broaden your perspective of looking at things. Okay, so yes, so this is what they want, that you change or you broaden your perspective anytime when you cannot understand them. So yes, so that is what they expect from you. So now let's get into the next option. So this is the next option. If you have chosen this stone, this is the stone that I had put, and it's the black tourmaline. And these are the cards that are coming for this option. And let's go ahead and read what these cards are saying. Okay, so the first thing that the cards have to say is, yeah, we are looking into what they are expecting to happen between you, right? What they want to happen between you. So listen to your intuition and have patience. Consider carefully what you want before acting. Okay, so this is where, you know, they may be very highly spiritual people, and they may be into spirituality, and that is what they want, that you also are somebody who is spiritual, who listens to their intuition. First thing. Then what they want to happen between you is that they want that you have patience. They want that you are somebody who has a lot of patience. Now this patience can be just because they also have patience, they are expecting that you also have patience. On the other hand, this can be that they have been through relationships where the partner was very impatient, and that is where that did not work out for them earlier. and that is why they want that the future partner or the person that, it can be any sort of relationship. So this person, they expect that, they want that there should be some sort of patience within you. Okay, then consider carefully what you want before acting. Okay, so yes, so this is something that, yeah, see, this totally points out to a person who is either very calm and very condensed. They are this same way. That is why they are expecting the same thing to happen between you also, right? So they want the same thing to happen between you, is that they want that you carefully consider before acting. You just don't randomly act anything. They want that you are thinking patiently and then taking next steps. This also points out to the fact that they might be very hot tempered, they might be very hot headed, and that is where they want that one person should be cool. Okay, so yes, that can be there, and they want that you have patience just because they don't have it. They want that you think carefully before taking the next step. It's because that they cannot do it. That is why they are expecting that this happens between you, that at least you are not acting randomly, you're not acting without giving any thought. Okay, so then the next thing is blessings of Ganesha. Okay, so what they want to happen between you is definitely, this is something that it shows that religion is very important for them, their religion. Okay, now this is definitely Ganesha, but we are looking at this reading from a global point of view, and that is where I just expect that anybody from any religion might be watching this video. So we are just going to take this as a common thing, and here I'm just saying Ganesha, which connects to the Hindu religion, but we can just say that person, they want that both of you actually devote yourself to the God in whom that person is believing in. Okay, you also should be religious. You should be religious according to that person. That is where whenever anything happens between you, religion is also something that both of you will be talking about a lot. Okay, so that is how it goes. The next thing is, okay, so this is the card about the Tower. The Tower card came earlier in some other option, and it was definitely, I'm trying with 3 different tarot cards, so definitely a lot of same cards are going to pop up. So a sudden revelation that offers freedom, break free of procrastination, embrace the opportunities that the change brings. Okay, so this is what they are expecting that happens between you. So they want that you help them in changing their life. So from these cards, what I think is they are into spirituality, they are into religiousness, and they are expecting a lot of change to happen in their life just because they are into spirituality and religion, right? Because see, whenever people expect some change to happen, people expect some transformation to happen, the first thing that people turn towards is religion, then it is spirituality. Okay, so yes, this is one that they help, that you help them to change their life. Okay, so that maybe their expectation that your footsteps might actually change their life. This also says that they are somebody who procrastinates a lot, and they expect you that you break their procrastination whenever you see that happening, right? Embrace the opportunities that the change brings. Also at the same time, when this card is here, the Tower card is here, it means that there can be some shocking revelations that can happen, and they just want that the card says that you should actually embrace the opportunity. They want that you embrace whatever they are, and then you are going to just change according to that situation. Okay, so this is what they want. The next card is the card about Ace of Michael. Okay, so this is the card that says a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. So from this card, I feel that they expect that you don't stop them from doing anything. So they may be having ideas, about how they can change a new job. Now, a new and wonderful idea, it just means that some or the other new action this person wants to keep on taking, and it can be an action. See, whenever this action is in the career, it can be that this person is very difficult to be with, because they are not steadily in one career, and they just keep changing their career one after the other. So let's expect that it's not career. Yeah, but if it is that person, then they are expecting to happen between you. And if it is career, then definitely you will want to think 10 times before committing to that person. If it is a life partner sort of relationship, a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps on the road. This person wants that you don't hinder them, you don't stop them from working on their new idea, and clear up communication problems with others. So this person also wants to expect between that happens between you is maybe they might also be having communication issues, that they may be communicating on a different level, and when a problem arises they expect that you go and clear out those communications. Okay, so this can be totally there. Plus this can also be that this person can be a very good communicator and they want the same thing to happen between you. They want that you are also a good communicator and both of you sit and communicate very well about the relationship. Okay, so this is there. The next thing the card has to say here is deceit. Deceit card is not good to have at this position, because deceit is something that he wants to happen between you. So somewhere or the other this person wants to deceive you, this person wants to deceive you, this person wants to make a fool of you, wants to hide something from you, and this person wants that you get deceived. Okay, so see, like, this is not a good thing. And also on the other hand, this is a card about deceit, and it can be that this person has experienced deceit from their partner, and that is where they want that their partner does not deceive them. So just in case that this person might be very much on a hyper sort of mindset with deceit. So if they just had been deceived earlier, they may be very, very highly emotional about it, and they may not be able to handle it if you are also going to deceive them in some way or the other. Plus at the same time, if somebody is there that they just want that a partner should not deceive them, the person that they are thinking something about should not deceive them, they have this tendency inside them that they have been deceived a lot. They have this energy blockage within them that just people who are going to deceive this person, they just keep getting drawn towards him or her. And it's not about, then it might not get about you, it might be about them. There might be certain energy that is attracting deception into their life. So this is what they are supposed to clear up. But definitely this is something that is what they are expecting from you that doesn't happen, or this doesn't happen between you. Then definitely it can be difficult for you to explain to that person. But definitely if you are committed to this person, then you may actually explain this. Plus at the same time, if this person wants to deceive you, if this person wants that they are hiding something or the other from you, then it can be that they are expecting that this also happens even in future. So it just depends how much you want to get deceived. Okay, and then the next final two cards is this. You need to discard toxic people, and negative and low energy people will block your life progress. So so this is definitely somewhere it is pointing out towards all of these earlier cards that they may actually block out certain people, saying that they are negative just because they are spiritual and religious. They actually may be thinking that a lot about spirituality and negative people and toxic people. So they may actually minus out certain people from your life also at the same time. They may feel that you are a toxic person and they may want to minus out you as well. Okay, so that can totally happen. You need to discard toxic people from your life. Negative and low energy people will block your life progress, right? So this is what they want to happen between you. This is a very huge sign that if they are ignoring you, if they are avoiding you, then this is something that they are doing, right? They want to discard you from their life. They are thinking that you are a toxic person, or you may be increasing some sort of toxicity in their life. So they just want that you stay away from their life. Okay, so this can be there. And then the next thing is this card. You need to shake off the drama of mediocrity, failure, victimhood, and work towards becoming a master. Life wants to embrace you with your greatness. So just in case that if you want to hang on with that person expect that you are also getting into spirituality, you are also thinking about raising your vibrations together along with that person. Okay, so so this is the reading about these cards, and I hope that you like this reading, and let me know in the comments down below how did you like this reading and what other readings you would like me to do with the pick a card reading. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.